Okay, so it's pretty icy today, and I bought all-purpose sand and also ice melt. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna actually mix the salt and also the sand together. And what I'm hoping is that while the ice melts or while the salt melts the ice, the sand actually gives people when they walk a little bit more grip. And I didn't have a shovel, but I had a Gatorade thingy, and I just cut it this way. And that, you see, makes it actually ideal for me to apply it. So as you can see, it's pretty icy here, and that's what I'm trying to do, just to make a little pass for a mailman. And I hope the sand gives it a little bit more grip, and I'm gonna film that in 1 or 2 hours just to see how it works out. I can already tell you that using the sand actually makes it pretty grippy, so I guess my trick kind of already works. It's actually pretty safe to walk now, so I guess the mix of salt and sand does the trick. So alrighty, it actually works pretty good, better than I thought. So mixing like all-purpose sand and ice melt together, like I did it here, it's actually pretty good. The sand makes it pretty grippy if you walk on it, and of course the ice melt, when the sun comes out, takes care of the ice in total.